Finish eighth one. Two trains leave a railway station at the same time. Two trains are there. They left the railway station at the same time. The first train travels towards west direction, and the second train travels towards north. Okay, see directions already you know. This is north direction, this is south direction. Okay, next this is east direction, this is west direction. North, south, west, east. See, the first train travels towards west. Suppose here, see, this is the starting point, the train starting point. One train is going into which direction means towards west direction. So towards west direction, from here to here, towards west direction, it is coming like this. So this is the starting point. This is the starting point of trains. Starting point of trains. First train travels towards west. Second train, west means this like only, no, this like. And the second train towards the north. Second train towards the north. In this direction, second train is going. Okay, second train is going in this direction. Okay, north direction. The first train travels, this is the first train. Okay, this is the train number 1. This is the train number 2. The first train travels 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second train. First train travels 5 kilometers faster than the second train. So suppose let the speed of the train x kilometers per hour. Suppose speed of the second train x kilometers per hour. Suppose. Then what is the speed of the first train? X plus 5 kilometers per hour. This is the speed. Okay, speed s is equal to. Here this is the first train. Here speed s is equal to x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Do you understand? The first train travels 5 kilometers per hour faster than the second one. Second one speed x. So what is the speed of the first one? X plus 5. Okay. If after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart, find the average speed of each train. Okay. If after 2 hours means it is started here. Suppose this is the second train started here. It travels for 2 hours time. It travels for 2 hours time. In 2 hours time, how much distance will it cover? Okay, distance is equal to formula actually see, speed is equal to distance by time. So distance by time, speed is equal to, we need distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. Distance how much cover means speed into time. So in this case, distance d is equal to speed how much? X kilometers. So x into time, how many hours? 2 hours. So we have to take down 2x. So what is this distance? 2x. Next, here see, how much distance will it cover means here d is equal to same. Speed is equal to distance by time. Therefore, d is equal to speed into time. Speed x plus 5 into time, same 2 hours. So 2. So 2 into x plus 5. So this distance is equal to 2 into x plus 5. This distance is equal to 2x. After 2 hours, they are apart from means you have to take down this one. This is hypotenuse. Okay, let us suppose this is the actually these two directions are perpendicular to each other. So this is the right angle triangle. So this is hypotenuse. So this is how much is given? 50 kilometers. Now you have to find the speed. Speed means x value you have to find. Okay, do you understand? Once again I am repeating. Two trains are there. They started at the same point. So here onwards, first train travels towards west direction. Second train travels towards the north direction. So speed not given, but one relation is given. First train travels, this one travels 5 kilometers faster than this one. So let us suppose this speed is equal to x. Then this speed is equal to x plus 5. 5 kilometers faster, no? So x plus 5. Now if after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart. After 2 hours means in 2 hours how much distance will it cover? Distance d is equal to speed into time formula. speed x, time 2 hours, in 2 hours no, so 2x, this distance 2x. What is this distance? 2 hours, here speed x plus 5, so 2 into x plus 5 kilometers. This is 50 kilometers. Apply Pythagoras rule. Okay, before you are going to that, let us write the data. So this is eighth problem. No, this is eighth problem. Okay, let the speed of first train, let the speed of second train, let the speed of second train x kilometers per hour. kmph means kilometers per hour. Let us put name A, B, C. Okay, next speed of first train x plus 5 kmph. Why? 5 kilometers faster than the second one. Now after 2 hours the distance between them 50, no, so that's why in 2 hours the distance traveled by the first train, distance traveled by first train in 2 hours is equal to first train, this is in 2 hours, how much distance? 2 into x plus 5 kilometers. Next, distance traveled by second train in 2 hours. Second train in 2 hours, how much distance? 2x distance it is covered. Okay, now after 2 hours they are apart from each one is at a distance of 50 kilometers. Therefore from triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Why? Because Pythagoras theorem. Okay, why it is perpendicular? These two sides are perpendicular to each other, so that's why consider this is perpendicular. Okay, so AB square, AB value how much? This is AB value, distance 2 into x plus 5, totally square, plus BC value, total distance 2x, so 2x square, AC value 50, so 50 square. Now this is 2 square means 4 into a plus b whole square formula you have to apply. A square, so x square, plus 2 a value x, b value y, 2ab, plus b square 5 square, finished, plus 2 square means 4 x square is equal to 50 square, 5 5s are 25, 2 zeros, 2500. Now multiply 4 into x square, 4x square, plus 2 5s are 10, 10 4s are 40x, 5 square means 5 5s are 25, 25 4s are 100, plus here 4x square is equal to 2500. Now 4x square plus 4x square value 8x square, plus here 40x is there, so 40x, plus here 100 is there, plus 2500 and coming to left side minus 2500 is equal to 0. Now this is 8x square plus 40x, 100 minus 2500 value minus 2400 is equal to 0. Now 8 common, here you will get x square plus this is 5x, 5 8s are 40 minus 3 8s are 24, remaining 2 zeros is equal to 0. Now x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to, here 8 is multiplying while going to the right side, divides 0 by 4, so you will get 0. Now you have to split this one, x square coefficient 1 into 300, so minus 300. Next x coefficient to 5, what are the factors? How do we do? We have to get 5 and 300. How do we split this one? Suppose 300, suppose 3 table, or better to take 2 table, let us take 2 table, 150 times, again 2 table, 75 times, again 3 table, 25 times, again 5 table 5 times. See, how do we take 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 25. 25 minus 12 you will not get it. Suppose 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 60. 60 minus 5 not possible. 5 3s are suppose 15, 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now look at this. See, 300 can be written as 3 5s are 15 into 2 2s are 4 into 5 means 20. 20 into 15. Yes, so this minus 300 can be written as 20 into minus 15. See, 20 15s are 300, minus is there, so minus 300. 5 can be written as 20 plus minus 15. So finally 20 minus 15. 20 minus 15. Like that we can adjust. Okay. So from that one we can simplify. See, this is x square plus 5x can be written as 20x minus 15x minus 300 is equal to 0. Now here and here x common, you will get x here, plus x common now, so you will get 20. Next here and here minus 15 common, so here you will get x, in minus common, so plus you will get 15 common means you will get 20 is equal to 0. Suppose see, x into x, x square, x into 20, 20x, minus 15 into x, minus 15x, minus into plus, minus 15 20s are 300. Now in both the cases you can take down x plus 20 as common. Here you will get x, here you will get minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 20 is equal to 0 or x minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 20 or x is equal to 15. X means speed. Speed always we should take positive value, so don't take this one. Therefore speed of second train is equal to x, that is equal to 15 kmph. Next speed of first train, that is equal to x plus 5, so that is equal to 15 plus 5, that is equal to 20 kmph. Thank you.